Hi guys, 11:10 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brother and family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Day Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your Sunday? Tayo po ba ay nag-step number 5, kung saan po tayo nag-donate po kanina sa church service o sa ating Sunday worship. Sana po hindi nyo nalimutan and given a chance. Well, this week po don't forget the step 5. Of course, 5 steps po yan. And the 5th step is given a chance, you have to make a donation. Okay, so again, I'd like to greet happy birthday to Aya Tope. Happy birthday, belated. Of course, happy birthday po today, no? Po ngayon, Kuya Ambo, happy birthday. And to all the birthday celebrants of December, advance happy birthday. And belated man kung nalimutan ko Apologies mga kuyang. And tomorrow, happy fiesta po sa mga taga Dasmariñas. Wow. To our feast of Immaculate Conception. Po. Kay BFF, so tomorrow is a holiday, but then again, start pa rin to ng week. So, if ever you have something in mind, at least ma-tailor fit nyo po. Whatever plans you have in mind po. Actually, kahapon po and kanina was the 2-day live meeting po ng Chimen Club, the last for the year. And ang inyong lingkod po, ako po yung sumali po through online. No, po, through online. At least, hindi pa rin po tayo nahuli sa information about Warcraft. And of course po, yung mga inputs po of what to do po in terms of Chimen. But nonetheless, BFF, we are here. And let's do the sharing. Okay. Let's see the Monday po, December 8. BFF says here, December 8, the Metal Pig enters the Close Officer Day. So, Close Officer, BFF. Anong pwedeng gawin pag isang Close Officer Day? O, tingnan po natin. Opo, sabi po dito, okay, suitable for making a donation. O, yung habol. Meeting friends, keeping a pet, visit a beautician, tama-tama holiday, and fermentation. Avoid getting married, going to sea, renovation, gardening, and submit tender, not good for tomorrow. Okay, animal signs. Rat is average. Ox is bad. Tiger and rabbit, very good. Dragon is average. Snake is not so good. Horse is average. Goat, very good. Monkey and rooster, not so good. Dog, average. And pig, very good. Excuse me. Now, tingnan natin. Daily Chimen, BFF. Just in case, tingnan po natin. Ano po bang meron sa Daily Chimen ng Monday? Po, check natin. Okay. BFF, it says here. Whole day, flying bird fall into cave. With the horse star. Kasi mas mabilis po yung inyong hihingin. Talikod sa southeast. Wherein blessing comes to you to, BFF If you want 10x being beautiful and handsome, yan po, increase your followers via online, heart-to-heart talk, attract a high-caliber noble people, talikod ka naman sa southwest. If you want to create opportunities, branding, avoid danger, you're in an emergency, talikod ka po naman sa north. If you're not feeling well, talikod po sa northeast. And anything to do with finances and resources, talikod naman po sa east. Yan. Excuse me, BFF. Oh, yung BFF po, whole day to. Now, 11 p.m. up to 10:59 p.m. the next day. Yun. So, samahan na rin po natin, BFF I know some of you, huwag kalimutan yung mga Green Dragon. Okay, BFF, we'll do that. Okay. Now, so BFF, for December 8 at 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. South is backing, BFF Flying bird fall into cave and back into northwest same time. It's the Green Dragon returns the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen out of 1,080 structure. And from 3 p.m. to 4:59 p.m. another Green Dragon returns. Nakatalikod ka naman sa northwest. And from 5 p.m. to 6:59 p.m., talikod sa west, it's the Jade Maiden watching the door to increase your likability and charisma. Wow. Well, BFF, I'm looking forward that one of these days, I'll be one of the, um, to a huge audience po, one of the sharers po of Dato Joey. Ano po, baka hindi ko na po maiwasan for it's been quite some time na umiiwas po yung ilang lingkod. But, yung mga stories po natin. How I started Feng Shui, how I started with Chi-Men, yung journey po natin. So maganda po rin na ma-share po natin po in a wider audience para po maybe someone out there will have this same kind of story, same kind of struggles po. Maybe our story po, which will be seen by so many po when I do the sharing sa event ni Dato, will we inspire people po. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Maybe next month. I'm not sure. Tingnan po natin. Because I feel hindi na makaiwas kailangan na po tayo mag-share na po ng ating story, ang ating narrative po. Well, it's how I came about to be a Feng Shui consultant from a corporate government po services, and before tasking now, I'm doing this for almost going for 22 years, BFF. Yes, so BFF, again, I like to invite and encourage each and every one, those who are open-minded or would want a change for 2026. And this may be able to help the Feng Shui, the Pachi, the Chi-Men po, and of course, date selection to improve your 2026. After all, 2026, I've seen the Western version of the readings, wherein the mga planets po, Venus and Aries po, the Western animal signs. Yes, they're almost the same. And it tells us one thing, disruption. Disruption, chaos, change of government. Something like that po, no? Halos parehas po. Same. Nagkaiba lang po ng names, but the reading, the forecast is same. So, you and me have to prepare for it by adding more wisdom, by aligning ourselves with the environment, by making better decision. And making better decision after all is awareness. And we become more aware if our environment, BFF, is in line with us. Of course, we know how to prepare better. Malalaman mo din yung mga rab wealth mo po. Rab wealth or those are the most misaligned days in a person's chart. So makakapaghanda ka po, BFF, sa mga rab wealth po rather than making a mistake of losing money, getting betrayed or backstabbed because you didn't know it was a rab wealth day. So, di ba BFF? Alam, may advance info ka na. Again, BFF, I'm very grateful and thank you so much for being able to share. Let us continuously pray for our BFF, for we don't know if they are in a desperate situation, they're in danger, they have a cancer, they are sick, financially troubled, may fear, lack of courage. Let's pray for them. Let us also continuously pray for our country, the Philippines, our worthy leaders. Let us seal as one, BFF. Let us, with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless. Good night. Happy Monday. More blessings for the week. And see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, BFF.